If you hear a strange noise in the background, that's the ducks. They're on the patio playing. I've been outside mowing. I'm a mess. But I wanted to show you this simple project that will make a big improvement on the area around your trash can, that area that gets so gross where things splash and it's just always cruddy and gross, and you want to be able to wipe that clean. I thought of the neatest idea. It's really inexpensive, and if your trash can area looks like this, we're going to change that today. Hi everybody, it's Laura with Sawdust and Cornbread. If this is your first time visiting the channel, be sure to like and subscribe. I put out new content every week. The first thing I'm going to do before I begin this easy, inexpensive project to cover and keep the area around my kitchen trash can tidy, I'm going to clean as much of this grime off of the wall as I can. If I wanted to be really detailed, I could use a magic eraser. It's going to be covered, so I just want to get the actual soil off of the wall so that I know for my own sanity that there's no food on the wall behind what we're going to post up here. It's really amazing how much food and grime and dirt get on the wall behind the trash can before you even know it. If you have a family of 4, that's 4 times the mess going into the trash can and inevitably on the back wall. Let's cover that up and take care of that problem right now. The idea is to conceal any existing damage and then waterproof and seal the area of the wall behind the trash can. I'm going to be using this glass dry erase board. It's by Pen & Gear, not sponsored. I found these things on sale for $8 each. Can't beat that price. You may want to check and see if they have them in stock at your store. If not, you may be able to find something comparable on Amazon. Just make sure it has a solid white or whatever color you want backing so that it will conceal any existing damage if that's an issue. This particular board is 23 inches by 35 inches, which is perfect for my big 30-gallon trash can in the kitchen, and installing it is a cinch. I've decided to put mine up vertically. If you had a shorter trash can, you could do it horizontally like you normally would. I don't need to use a level because mine is straight flush with the door frame. Or if your floor is nice and level, it's automatically going to be level. So you don't even have to level this thing out. It comes with pre-drilled holes in each corner. So you just take a marker and outline the inside of that circle. If you know that you have a wooden stud behind where you're going to have to put these holes, all you have to do is put the supplied rivet into that hole and then drill your screw directly through and you're done. Bam, boom. And then there's little caps to cover this up. You do that on all 4 corners. If not, it comes with supplied anchors. I'm just going to drill a hole for that anchor, put it in the wall, then put in my rivet and follow that up with my screw, and I'm done. Whenever you're drilling, make sure to keep your drill nice and level. You don't want to tilt it up or down or your screw will go in at an angle. So straight through, and as I suspected, there is no stud behind there, so I'm going to use my anchor. Gently tap that right in to where the top is flush with the wall. I'll line my hole for my board up with that hole. Put the supplied rivet in there. You don't want to forget that or the glass will crack. Then I'm just going to drive my screw, the supplied screw, in there. It's right in there, nice and secure. And then it comes with these little covers that you pop on there to make it look nice. Do that on all 4 corners and you're done. This is probably the fastest, easiest home improvement that I have ever shown you that has the most impact. For sure, anybody can do this. Now I have a wipeable surface. I don't have to worry about scuffs and staining anymore. I think this is going to be a huge improvement for my home. It can be for your home too, for just a few dollars. I considered a few other options. I looked at some of the hardware stores, at some of the PVC backing, and even like a paneling, a wipeable paneling. I couldn't find anything that I would not have to cut down and have a lot of excess left over, and that wasn't expensive. Everything is so expensive. So if you can find one of these glass dry erase boards on clearance, this is the perfect idea to put behind that trash can.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I put out new material every week. God bless.